So here is another screened-in porch by Archadeck of Charlotte. We just finished it, and I'm going to take you for a little tour. As you can see here, put a beautiful fireplace on the clipped corner of the porch. And that window system you're seeing is a collapsible window system by Eze Breeze. I'm going to walk back so you can see the whole project. There's a deck off to the side. In the railings we've got decorator pickets. That's the black powder coated aluminum pickets. You'll see that you can pretty much see right through them, so you've got an unobstructed view of the backyard. And we've got even some riser lights here in the steps. We'll go around this way. Get you a view of some more riser lights. And as we walk up the deck, decking's on an angle. Get a little bit better view of the Eze Breeze. And we can walk into the porch here. And we've got a fire going. And these are gas logs. And just kind of showing you around the porch. We even put in a couple of skylights. There's also some recessed cans for additional lighting. And for those of you that haven't seen how easy these windows work, these windows just slide right down. So it's a screened-in porch when you want it, and a sunroom when you don't. Another project by Archadeck of Charlotte. Give us a call, 704-944-1350.